In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark from your video with just simple steps. The steps that I'm going to show you doesn't require any third-party software. Let's get started. So, for the purpose of this video, we are going to remove watermark from our Flow AI videos. So the videos that we are going to generate using Flow AI, we are going to toggle off the watermark icon. So how can we do that? Now, if you are logged in into Flow AI, navigate to the upper right part of your screen, click on your profile picture. So once you do that, you are going to have this dialog box that has appeared here for you. So click, just look around, you will see visible watermarking. So just click on the turn off button. All right. So initially, if maybe you haven't turned it off before, it's going to be like this. So this switch button, you can either switch it off or you switch it on. So currently it has been switched on, then you can switch it off like this. Now, what this means is that every time you generate videos, Flow AI is not going to add a watermark on your videos. So let me show you how this works. If I scroll down these videos that I've generated, you are not going to see any watermark on them because I believe you already know that if you generate videos using Flow AI, you're going to see a watermark kind of star icon below your videos. So if I click on any of these videos, for instance, let's say this one, if I click on it, let's just wait for it to open. And then I'm going to open it on full screen, right? So let me open it like this. So you can see there's no watermark on this video. All right. So if let me just allow you to hear the volume of this video. So if I play it again.
Is your mother coming here again this weekend?
My mother? Why?
Okay, so let me play it again.
Is your mother coming here again this weekend?
My mother? Why?
Okay, so now the main thing is that there is no watermark on this video. So that is how to turn off watermark in your videos. So I believe this helps.